Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the best cordless vacuum in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best cordless vacuum. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Dyson V15 BLACK+DECKER Vacuum. Say hello to the best Dyson cordless vacuum, the $750 Dyson V15. As the company's flagship cordless vacuum, the V15 has a sky-high price to match. It's by far the most expensive machine in our test group. Like its predecessor, the V11, the V15 ripped through our suite of vacuum cleaner tests with ruthless competence. This cordless stick vacuum didn't just outperform competitors from other brands. The V15 demonstrated more suction power than the Dyson V11, the previous cordless vacuum champion. The V15 also achieved these cleaning performance results on our most difficult trial, sand. It was able to remove 88.4% of test sand we placed on mid-pole carpeting. The V11 managed 71.6% on the same test. More impressively, the V15 pulled 95.3% of sand particles we dropped onto low-pile carpeting. That's a lot better than the 78.4% the V11 was able to muster here. The V15 is a great cordless vacuum for pet hair, to no matter if it was vacuuming across hardwood, low pile, or mid-pole carpeting, the V15 barely left a tuft in its wake. Tineco A11 Hero Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner. As the second best performer in our current test group, the Tineco A11 Hero represents an outstanding deal. So much so that it has officially bumped the Shark Rocket Pet Pro Cordless out of our top pick for best mid-range cordless vacuum. With an average 70.5% sand pickup from mid-pole carpeting and 82.5% sand removal from low-pile carpet, the Hero performs better. This cordless stick vac also costs less than the Shark, a fact that's hard to overlook. The A11 Hero is a good cordless vacuum for pet hair as well. Barely a trace of the material remained after the machine vacuumed mid-pole carpeting and hardwood floors. The Hero left some strands visible when traveling across our low-pile test carpet. Mid-pole carpeting usually causes vacuums more problems. The design of the Hero isn't too shabby either. Its dustbin is almost as easy to empty as the Rocket Pet Pro. The bin's release valve is tricky to engage compared with Shark's model. That said, its battery pack is removable. There's also a handy trigger lock lever to keep the vacuum running without constant finger pressure. BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a decent cord-free carpet cleaner, but don't want to spend much, the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme 20 volts max is usually the least expensive model we recommend. For a stick vacuum at this relatively low price, it's surprisingly effective on short and even medium pile rugs, at least for gritty types of debris like crumbs or sand. It's not as great at digging out pet hair or fine dust. This vac also runs on the same batteries as a lot of BLACK+DECKER power tools, so spares are plentiful and affordable. On the downside, the atrocious dustbin falls off the vacuum anytime you bump it, replacement filters aren't always in stock, and its bare floor cleaning is just okay. but we regularly see the Powerseries Extreme going for $150, and at that price, it's the cheap stick to beat if you want to be able to pull debris out of your rugs rather than just tickle the tops of the fibers. If you are looking for an even cheaper stick that you can use for quick cleanups, you can pick pretty much anything. We don't love any of the current options, but we do have a few LEDs to help you on your search. Tineco Pure ONES 11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco Pure 1S11 is our top pick because it's pretty good, not great at the important stuff, and it doesn't have any major flaws. It sort of wins by default because every other cordless stick vac with a similar battery life and cleaning ability has some kind of serious downside. The S11's best trait is how comfortable it is to handle. Even during long cleaning sessions, you can realistically get about 30 minutes on a fully charged battery pack, as it feels lighter and easier to steer than any of its close competitors. For the price, it did an above-average job of cleaning rugs and bare floors in our testing. While it won't pull as much dust or hair out of rugs as some other models near this price, including the Dyson B8 series. One of our runner-up picks, the S11, is strong enough that we are comfortable recommending it considering its other advantages over its competitors. And based on an AI-assisted analysis of customer reviews, we've found that most S11 owners are perfectly satisfied with its cleaning power. The S11 also has a built-in dust sensor, which we found to be surprisingly helpful whenever you roll over debris, and LED ring changes colors to give you a visual cue that you are actually vacuuming something. On big messes, the S11 automatically bumps up the suction too. Like most cordless vacuums now, the S11 works with extra battery packs that you can buy to extend the run time, though they are $90 each, and it can function as a handheld vacuum too.